Talk.
Is Alkaline the next king of dancehall?
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside. When on the know it's a Boston and then I billing. Happy Sunday, happy Easter Sunday to you all out there. Hope you're having a good one, both family time, friend time, everything. Hope you all having a wonderful. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend because you know it's Sunday today and we are going a new week. But hope you all had a wonderful Easter weekend, everyone out there. But in this episode and this topic, I want to share some topics with you and some clippings with you as it pertains to Alkaline, and people are saying that they're not giving him the glory that he's supposed to get because, you know, currently we see where he sold out the Wembley arena over in England, UK, and many people not really come out and highlight the fact that the youth is doing it just the same as other big giants in a dancehall artists, or admit the fact that the youth is just 31 years old and doing it this big out of all the youngsters them in the genre right now. For no say, yo, this youth carry the music industry on him back also. Like a Sean Paul, a Cartel, and all the others where are sold out arenas and so forth. So I have some clippings I want to share with you guys. But before I share the clippings with you guys, I want to ask you guys to do me a favor by liking the video, commenting, and making sure that you hit that post notification bell so whenever you get a video, you can see the notification pop up on your screen. And you know, the thing I want you to click for me is the all part on the notification. You see the part where it's a all, click that part so whenever a video is uploaded, you guys can get the first video as it lands. So I have some clippings that I want to share with you guys, and I want to talk about it also because currently we see a lot of the dancehall music is going out there. Seeing the dancehall music is getting the recognition it's supposed to be getting over the years. A lot of artists are doing it, sell out shows and sell out arenas or whether club or whatever. But currently we see where Vybz Kartel come from prison, and a lot of people are giving him the credit for waking up dancehall and all this and all that. But we know that dancehall has been there, but has been doing it over the years, has been selling out places. But you know, everybody would just love to give the credit to a one person because, you know, they're championing a one person to bring the genre on his back and so forth. But all I want to say is that the genre needs a collective movement of artists to push the genre. It doesn't take a one man. It's not a one man thing. So we see some clippings. I'm going to see some clippings or some videos of people like Ganguly and Shakin Murray and some other influencers on TikTok and so forth are saying that, yo, we need to give this youth his glory, give the youth in props and make the youth know say he might do it because, trust me, people, we don't see a lot of people came out and give him the glory or what we would call it, congratulate him on the achievement and the doings that he's doing out there in our world like others. Because, you know, the politics and so forth, you know, the business, no artist not gonna really come out outright and say, yo, youth, you do it big. So I'm going to just jump in at the video and we're going to play some clippings for you and tell me what you think in our comment section. Share your thoughts as it pertains to where I go on in our dancer. Because as I'm saying, and I have another clippings of what is name, the guy named Dwayne Morris, stating why Spice and Alkaline has an issue or why them the real deal. Because y'all remember that Spice and Alkaline had a song together way back in the days when him just about. So I have that clippings also to play for you. So stay tuned, stick around and watch the clippings. Mad.
So Alkaline sell off Wembley. It's a sold out crowd. You need to put some respect on a youth name now, you know. You need to show Alkaline some respect. As a young youth, him do it. It's a packed crowd. And him do it off his own. A Ganguly me name. I mean, he's not the typical bad mind artist. For the artist put in them work, me I go big you up. Me no like artists with lazy musically and bad mind. Anytime you see me fight somebody, them have to fight me. And when me fight you, you're in trouble. Can me get a bag of fight? But me not believe in a fighting people. I'm a son of fight Alkaline hard boy, you know. And the youth hold him one and then do it. Alkaline, big up yourself. Me remember when time 3/4 industry sing song boy and I disrespect you. Me and one of the artists them will never sing a song boy. Cause me not believe in a fighting people. You never do me nothing, so we gonna fight you for. Me not play them game there. If people them hungry for dancehall again, the world need dancehall. So all dancehall artists need to unite and do some bad collab and shake the world again. This is happening in the 90s and the 80s. And see it happening again. Make we unite and make Jamaica feel proud again. And make people can look to Jamaica. The promoters them, and everybody look to Jamaica. And artists get booked. Dub plate a go on, everything a go on, and tourists then come in fully again. Alkaline, big up yourself, youth. Me love this. Continue to do the musical work and represent your country, Jamaica. Big up yourself, Alkaline.
So yeah, people, that's Gangooli, you know, and I share him point of view. But let me know only think in the comment section because I share the same sentiment with Wayne. I say I want dance all and we are trying to push the culture forward. With the bag of 18 thing it now go nowhere. But you know, they might eat upon the youth quietly and what they call it now, silently, because you know nobody now really come out and talk. Like the big names them in our culture, we see Foota Hype come out and talk, which is good and awesome because he was stating earlier in some live, I say, yo, the artists them, we don't want to make it a thing where the artists them have to go to jail and then them come out for sell out the arenas. We want them there road and I do it same way. So we see Alkaline come prove him point and prove him wrong. Say, yo, him there road and him a do it and him a sell out stadium. So, you know, that's Gangooli, I say what him have to say. But me could jump on the nether part with shocking more, now.
I take in Alkaline show in a Wembley arena. And I one thing me have to say, Alkaline, you see when the great history book of dancehall I go write, any of them try write a name out of it, lightning and thunder in the earth, because that would just be unfair. Big up yourself. You and Roger Wilder and Armani, you did it. And you did it for the culture. And you did it for Jamaica. A one dancehall. And that we are rep for. Remember me telling you this. You can't grow on greatness. When the youths them great, we have to highlight it and show them say them great. You know why? Because enough youth, enough talented youth get frustrated and go pick up guns and bust it up. And enough of them lie down underneath the earth and can't get up back. And enough of them lock up in a prison. And enough of them still roam the street and a bust gun and become menace to society. So when I see the little youth them and do things like what Alkaline and Armani and Roger Wilde did in a Wembley arena, you can't fight it. You say if you fight it, you're a devil in a flesh. Big up the youths them. Alkaline is a good look for dancehall. And right now, it come like say the artists them need some bigger arena and some bigger stadium. One dancehall. And dancehall can't stall. And reggae music can't fall. History that the making. Shocking Morris said that.
So yeah, that's Shocking Marina, you know, the great Shocking Marina, the artist also, you know, in our business. So him know the ins and outs. So the man I say, yo, you can't hide the glory. Don't try to hide the youth glory, because over the years we've seen it and we've known it that a lot of times people are always trying to hide Alkaline's glory. And you have to remember, say, you know, he's the youngest artist in the business currently that is a giant. See him? You have the Bunty, the Boju, the Cartel, the Movada, the all of them, the Popcorn and so forth with a giant. So he's younger than all those other acts in a dancehall. So for see the youth do it and knowing that him have more years ahead of him, it's a great look. And it's a great look for the culture, because when the other artists them retire or put it down, and not saying retire because you know dancehall artists them not really retire like that, but when the other artists them decide say them are gonna give up and the not giving up but retire to say, then you're gonna see younger youths like him and youths who are gonna follow the footsteps of all these giants and bring the culture upon them back. So if you see the youth are bring the culture upon them back and not do it just the same as all these other giants, it's a good look. So we could just jump in on some other clippings with some other well-known influencers and hear what them must say as it pertains to it.
Yo, big up Alkaline, big up Alkaline. We're proud of your youth. Jamaica proud of you. You check me and check, you see all of the naysayers. Right, I know them are the sayers. You check me and check. Yeah, we love your show. We love how you perform. Excellent performance. And yo, you sell out the show. Yeah, I respect and appreciate that youth. You check me and check. Yeah, and Gaza fans eat on the heart out. Because I say youth fall off. The other day, you know, this the man, all kind of way, you know, set up and a jaggy man all around the place. But you never know, say your dancehall bigger than you know. I do rarely listen to dancehall and not uno no more. If I went uno no more, you know that stop bomb buckler at Alkaline show couldn't sell off. You see what I say? And you say if I went uno no more, Sean Paul wouldn't know Sean Paul. Sean Paul sell off a show last week, Sunday. We know you're not talk about it. If I went uno no more, dancehall suffer to bomb buckler because I don't want to take dancehall and give to one man, and one man cannot run dancehall, and one man cannot lead out dancehall. Why the whole of the artists them can't shine? Why we can't see Buju Banton sell off a show with the room? Why we not see Sean Paul sell off a show with the Cartel come sell off a show, Alkaline come sell off a show? Beanie Man next month, Beanie Man a sell off in show. All you know a chat about, oh, I want figure over there got turn up. You know not figure. Try know say yo, Jamaica does 3 million odd people and know say the world have billions of people in the world and billions of people listen to dancehall. You see what I say? Yeah, so no can't flap Beanie Man, no can't talk. You see what I say? And you see uno Jamaican, uno the weapon we rise against no one another dog shit. You see what I say? Yeah, why you not set up and try tear down Haman Empire when he build that bomb buckler? You know set up and try tear down Beanie Man carry him to the dirt. You know tear down Alkaline and carry him to the dirt. And a push up cartel. Yeah, not wrong for no push up on an artist. But yo, respect every bumbo cloth artist. You see me and say, because the whole of them have them purpose in a dancehall. You see me and say, the whole of them contribute to dancehall. If it wasn't Beanie Man, there would be no Bounty Killer. You hear Bounty Killer say, Beanie Man inspire him for DJ. When you see Beanie Man as a little youth, the on the stage a perform, that's the time him know say him can go on the stage go perform to as a little youth. And if I never Bounty Killer, there would be no cartel. You see me and say, and yo, if there was no cartel, I'm not going to say Alkaline a pussy clot, you know, because when I say Alkaline sound like a cartel, I'm not see it. When I say Alkaline pirate cartel, I'm not see it. When I just give the youth a hard time. When I just set up and bad mind the youth. I don't see Alkaline and cartel have nothing about Bucklat common. The only thing I see have in a common, the two of them have a big catalog of music where powerful. That's the only thing I see. I don't see nothing else. That's why I say, oh, I see say two of them are sell off stadium. Oh, one got jail and one got prison and one never got prison. Okay, so the one who never got prison. Him supposed to be more powerful than the one who got prison, because the one who got prison, people anticipating to see him, and people glad to see him because he miss now for the scene. But Alkaline never miss now for the scene, and the dog do the same thing like him. Bumbucklat big up Alkaline again, youth. Yo, cartel. Your performance dog in a business too long for a DJ too long and can't perform the Bucklat song them. You coming like one man who have one big ever gun and can't fire them. You know see how Alkaline perform his song them. All the American them here complain and say, yo, you fi sing this song them. By the time you set up and start say, fever, pull up that. Half key. Me nah this you still. You hear me and say, yeah. Yeah, but I shoot me attack. Me need to talk it shoot. Cartel is a tough artist. Alkaline a tough artist. Beanie Man is the greatest. Sean Paul is a tough artist. Bounty Killer is the greatest. Yo, Sean Paul is the greatest. Only a great youth out there. But when I say to one people, when I stop one like no one give dancehall to one person. Because one person cannot take dancehall where it need to go. As me say, everybody have them purpose. Every young artist have them purpose. Don't to me have my purpose out there, although me no boss yet, but me know say my purpose today. No so see it. Che me and che. Yeah, I'm going to say yo, big up Alkaline again. That is more important. Alkaline, congratulations.
So you see the man share some good points, you know. In a way, I say, you know, because we see Gaza fans them I go around and I fuel this bagger hate towards the other artists them, not just Alkaline, but a lot of other artists, because them want, champion them artists, which nothing wrong with them championing them artists personally, but you have to split justice when justice was split. When the other artists them are do it, you have to champion them. Don't behave like this type of people where uno alone or a artist alone can push the genre or make the genre go out there globally. But the man share some good points and I say, yo, Gaza fans them, we don't need to stop one another because dancehall not revolve around one artist, because over the years we've heard people saying that dancehall lock up a jail and this and that, but not acknowledging the fact that a lot of artists out the road literally are doing it. Whole heap of artists where they are road even sell records and sell gold and so forth like that. But you know how it goes with the whole politics and loving cartel the most other than other artists. So I thought the man share some points and I say, yo, this need to stop. And me agree with him, I say.
Yo, we have to say big up Alkaline for him successful show in the Wembley Arena. Not many artists can keep a show of this magnitude, especially with zero media presence. Man just show up, get the job done and disappear again. The crowd where the man pull and how him have them in a chorus like a choir. Yo, Jamaica are gonna have a challenge with Jamaica New Rules. The crowd not normal, them know every song word for word. The man stage command. The man pull up on the stage like him take that show, you're serious. The man go hard. People are saying him have the black tattoo eyes, me no know. But if he does, look like the man are forward with a vengeance because you don't know that the death boss. This is a good look for dancehall.
As I'm saying, people, the youth are do it for culture, and him have a strong support out here. We can see same fan base grow gradually, and the support strong, but here and there I have a few people who are going to crack through the surface with envy and bad mind and so forth like that and jealousy. But here and there I say it got more time because people fear greatness and sometimes they don't want to see greatness out of people. People will talk a lot of things and say the youths them for do better and the youths them for stray away from crime and violence and so forth. But when people are doing great like a man like him young like all the other youths them out there, we are try and want to do better for them life. But when people are do great like that, they don't try to highlight it or acknowledge it. So at that people out here currently I say, and as me saying to people over on TikTok, most of the videos them I see on TikTok, everybody I give the youth in props or me see people are post up videos with themselves. I recite the lyrics them where the youth are sing over the years them. Some of the hit songs them right now is trending over TikTok with some of the songs them we must sing, and the people them gone back in the days and reflect back on some of the wicked hit songs. That for sure is classic will always remain classic.
I feel like Alkaline could have given a 2-hour performance.
Me feel like, alright, I say after watching the London performance, and me know enough song him no sing. Enough song him no sing. Enough music, enough of the bad man song them him no sing. And enough of him look calm, reality song them him no sing. And him go deep in him cataloging other show, yeah. So after watching this, I feel like we can get a 2-hour performance of Alka. With guess. Reason being, for a young youth, a youth playing at the game about 12 years, him catalog huge. For such a short time, him have a big catalog.
And then guess that now. Most of them songs there, him do within the first
4 years.
4 or 5 years I'm career. Yeah, that's
Cause
right. So within 4 to 5 years, the man build a fucking catalog dog way.
Yeah, cause basically from
man,
2017, 2018, Alka kind of kick back. Him not go so hard again. Him still give you some song, but him just kick back.
Now the 2 event them go on, cartel one. Because the man knows the man wanna dance giant them. He good for culture.
Great look for culture.
And guess what? You see this? You see who all them look dance all artists boy yeah? Them need to give thanks to yo. They need to shake cartel and bombard as
Alkaline. And them need to look and learn too. Yeah, and look for the man them catalog and look how work for them over the years and look see the woman sang them cementing boys the Gaza fan base and the Vendetta fan base and why them so dangerous. Them have more woman fans than man. With the mass.
Yeah man.
Woman in the music woman like that man you know. In the music woman say yeah me artist them now Lego you know.
Yeah man, in a real life. You see me so the 2 event them boy like It's good for your culture, good for your country, good for everything. You see me? Because watch you know, you good have some promoter one part I really say, yo, you never know say I saw the dancehall powerful. You understand? So right now, dancehall never on a level right now, my boy.
I lead it, gamma.
Me I tell you that, you know.
Then can't
Dancehall,
chat to we
then
again.
watch
Then
if a dancehall artist can left all the way from in the Caribbean, go bombard us in Europe, and go ram up one place and nobody else could hold. What you think? And then when Cartel goes up bomb now and reach over the side, you know, go deal with what he deal with over there, so now. He done, you know?
Yeah, remember say the Cartel and
Enough more artists will get bookings over there, so now.
One Alkaline, vendetta forever. Alkaline came out a few years back and said that he found the formula. And who can deny that? Huh? From the youth touch the music scene. It's after it's consistently. The youth has been keeping a low profile. And even though he hasn't put out a hit song in recent years, his dominance in dancehall music is still impactful. If you don't believe, just check out him show last night in the UK. Sellout Arena. The youth has the formula. And not any dancehall artist can move the way he moves, keeping a low profile and still staying relevant. So bless up your damn self, vendetta boss. One Alkaline. Do this to the culture. Jamaica forever. And to the younger artists, pay attention. Take notes. There's something bigger and greater brewing. The bigger heads know it. If you notice, all the veterans are getting back their visas, flying out, selling out shows, selling out arenas. Because dancehall is impactful. Dancehall and reggae music are needed in today's world. There's a lot of pain, a lot of suffering. And as the great Bob Marley said, when music hit, you feel no pain. People need hope, and good music helps them to cope.
I not agree with the point where him say about him not having any hit still, but you know, to each his own, people share them own perspective in different ways. But I not agree with not having a hit over a long while, because we see bars for every bars and Mad Love a hit song. If you check the Spotify numbers them and the YouTube number them, you see it speak for itself. But you know, to each his own. But other than that, some of my things them we must say a real thing we must say. But let's jump to another video.
This is someone who are going to go and get Alkaline in bombo clad ratings, you know, from move on a bombo clad. And I think a Cartel alone can sell out show. Eh? A own man? Cartel have got a prison for sell out blood clad show. I want to tell you, dog, still there. I still want to give money respect. Fuck no, no. I want to give money bombo clad respect. Yeah, me telling you that. One data.
Yo, it's a proud moment in a dancehall reggae right now. We have to say, yo, congratulations to all of the artists. The culture is winning and we love to see that. Who not agree with that? Something is wrong with you. Buju Banton goes to set the pace, going to UBS 2 nights straight. Then go to Barclays couple months after. Then Cartel goes to Boom and come said history. 2 nights in a Barclays back to back. The rammest it's ever been. You understand? Then Wave Fest forward and shell on UBS Arena. Then Alkaline last night in a Wembley. Oh my God, it's a great look. You understand? So all of the artists them, I need you to be inspired by this. But in order for we sell out places, in order for we do good, we have to contribute as the artists. As an artist, you book for these events, you book for these shows, you have to contribute. You have to post the flyers, you have to help promote. The promoters alone cannot do it on their own, because at the end of the day, what if your fans don't follow that promoter? You have to post these flyers and help promote, so the venue can be super ram and sold out like everybody else own. You understand? It's just all take contribution. You have to help and a help and a help and a help, because it's good for you too. Because why if you come to this venue and you only see 2,000 people and this venue hold 12,000 people? You're gonna blame the promoter, but you have a part to play in it too, because you have a fan, you're a star. And your fans need to know where you're gonna be at. So all me I try to tell you now, I don't have an Instagram page. I wanna feel like on Instagram page is this private page or on it. No, your Instagram page is for your fans to look at what you're doing and where you're gonna be. So we have to contribute, we have to help out the situation, because if you look on Cartel page, Cartel go hard for him show where am doing in a Barclays. Buju promote and go hard, Alkaline promote and go hard, Dexter Dabs, Spice when them dip on Wave Fest and everybody else them promote and go hard. So guess what? We have to contribute. So artists, Be inspired. We can do this, and we can do this, and we can do it, and we can do it on a bigger level and a great level all the time. But we have to help to contribute to it and help to promote these events with the promoters. Continue to do great, and we need to see more of these arenas filling up. But we need the help from the artists and the promoters and the fans. Big up on yourself. Thank you very much.
I have mad respect for Spice, because Spice was the first bus artist who gave my young artists at the time a strength in the game. So this video is not me coming here. However, a few years ago, Spice blocked me on Instagram, so I'm going to explain to you what exactly happened. Only thing I want was Alkaline first collab in the game. Soko build the drum, me phrase the rhythm. I give it to Spice. When we market that song, she showed up to every single radio interview. Like she was there right throughout, big support. During this period when we are collab and everybody good, she realized everyone are not nice with bass. So she eventually decides that she go link up with that. When the link they make, Boombox Rhythm came about. And I hear so the saga start. Truth is, me never know what going on at the studio. Most time I drop off the artist at the studio, probably pass through a little bit and then just go a road for market music. So I honestly did not know what was going on with this rhythm. Spice Vice our song, honestly the song bad. I was not there, but all I know is Alkaline ended up getting the rhythm as well. He voiced 2 songs on this rhythm. He never have nothing to do with anything. Then work on the song. When we finally get the master for Alkaline song, I do what I do with every song that I get. We take the song to the street to market. Spice was promoting her song. They really did do a lot of work on it. Bagga dance and bagga nice, whatnot, as she normally does. One night we come back and that nice studio, me hear bagga nice are going. And I say, yo, what go on? Apparently, Spice thought this rhythm was going to be a single where she alone dep on a rhythm. But never happy say no other artist dep on it. And I so all hell break loose. Fam, everybody start move with them. Honestly, me never really know what go on, because as far as me concerned, I the producer rhythm and him decide what I want to do with it. But people felt like I pushed the artist to voice on the rhythm. And there's a bare vexation. All our couple times we try to reach out, now get no forward. Yes, I really know say music is a effed up business, you know. But I tell you, so within a few days, the number get blocked, the social media get blocked, can't get to nobody. From that day to today, Spice and I have not exchanged a word over this rhythm, over these songs, because as far as I'm concerned, me as the manager was responsible. And as I said to you, me don't know what go on. I know me voice the artist, I know me decide say the artist I go up on you, I know me decide say the rhythm going to be a juggling. And just that happened. So from that day till now, I am blocked, and that's it.
Is Alkaline the next king of dancehall? Just ask that question. And did Alkaline go to jail for 13 years to sell out that? And that's not a knock to Cartel. That's a knock to Foota Eye, because it come back down to the nigga haven't been in UK for 8 years. Yeah. So me as a man, we're probably there in UK where we probably don't have the budget to go fly or something go see Alka. Or we just want in my comfort zone.
Again, scarcity, because Alka is not very visible as an artist.
Yeah, bro.
So he creates that just by, you know, not being as visible as you want him to be. But I would say that there's still an opportunity there for him to be king, but I don't know if
I don't think he wants to be king.
Well, just on the fact of him not being visible is why I don't think he wants to be king.
But here what though, what I'm gonna say is big up to Alkaline, big up to Alkaline team. With the music there right now, with him, yeah, him not hot, for sure. But at the same time, it shows the work and the fan base where him gone from them time there. It's still there.
So you know that's Jay for people, and he must say your Alkaline fan base is huge and massive. They did support system for him as an artist, his fan base, them support him same way from them time they till now. So as I said, that's a good look. But me never really want to draw the interview there. It's just some key parts where me that say as it pertains to the youth and what him a do feel culture. As he's saying that him not act like that, but you know, it's not always about acting for your artist, you know. An artist have to make sure so him put in the work, in music speak for itself. So years to come, him can still live our fight and still have the impact upon the genre. So that's a good look and it's a good thing for you. But when you share your thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think about the vlog, yeah. Make me know what you think about some of the stuff them I'm share, and me say, yo, them need to come out and highlight the facts of the youth. I do it as a young youth, because you have to remember, say, I rub shoulders with all these big giants, and these giants, them are 40 yard, 50 yard, and for say the you younger than them, far younger than them, and still I rub shoulders with them. It's a good look. But share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. You know, it's Vibes and Insight with another one. I'm out. Peace.